Good morning, class. Today we will do revision of chapter 10. I am building a rocket. So open your reader book. Take out chapter 10. I am building a rocket. Have you seen the picture visible to you? What are these? Stars are there, na? All of us like watching stars and all of us want to go there, है ना? Sky हमेशा हर किसी को fascinate करता है, अपनी तरफ attract करता है ना? All of us want to go there. So this poem is written by Canon Nesbitt. Okay, speak with me first. I am building a rocket. Then who has written? Canon Bitt. This poem is very nice. It is related to a child who want to go up in the sky, who want to visit stars, and he also want to take his friends also. Nobody of us can live without friends. He also want to take his friends. So now speak with me. First take pencil in your hand so that we can mark the rhyming words also. All of you have heard about Chandrayaan, this latest movie. It was about satellites and all, है ना? That how we have landed on planet and what the pics see. So now let us carry on. Now I am building a rocket. First of all, what is rocket? Like aeroplane, we are going to different places by air. Okay. Rocket is also a medium by air when you are visiting another planet. Not on the same but another planet. So that is rocket. Okay. So see first. I am building a rocket. As soon as I am done, I am taking my friends on a trip to the sun. So speak with me. I am building a rocket. Now here the child is saying that he is building what? He is building a rocket. He want to go up in the air on another planet. He want to see sun, he want to see stars, he want to see other planets. So he is saying that I am building a rocket. He is building a rocket. As soon as I am done, when I will finish building up and when the rocket has been made, I am taking my friends. Whom he will take? He will take his friends on a trip to the sun. Now where he want to go? What is the first wish of going to the sun? Now as he is fascinated with the sky, actually beta, when the sun is there, we are not able to see it properly. So he want to see the sun. So speak with me. I am building a rocket. As soon as I am done, I am taking my friends on a trip to the sun. See beta, all of us love our friends very much, right? If we want to go, if you are enjoying more with your friends, है ना? Than your parents or with you are most enjoying with your friends. So he also want to take his friends. So that's why he is saying that he is building a rocket, and when he will finish it, he will take his friends to the sun. So underline your done, then underline your sun. These two are rhyming words with each other. Done and sun. Done. Now next see. But what do you mean that the sun is too hot? Oh well, I suppose I will just pick a new spot. Now he is saying another way. See what he is saying. What do you mean that the sun is too hot? That when he will go to the sun, he got remembered this point also, that sun is very much hot. सन के पास चले तो जाएंगे लेकिन उतनी गर्मी क्या बर्दाश्त हो पाएगी? नो. सो ओ वेल, चलो फिर ठीक है, दूसरी जगह ढूंढते हैं. आई सपोज आई विल जस्ट पिक अ न्यू स्पॉट. अब एक दूसरा जगह घूमेंगे हम. ऊपर स्काई में घूमेंगे लेकिन एक दूसरी जगह, न्यू प्लेस. स्पॉट मीन्स न्यू प्लेस, न्यू एरिया. सो स्पीक विद मी. बट व्हाट डू यू मीन? That the sun is too hot? Oh well, I will just pick a new spot. So, underline the word hot and spot. These two are rhyming words with each other. So, but what do you mean?